Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa, and we're getting ready for our next video. Thank you so much for joining me, for supporting me, for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell, that way you're notified anytime I have new content. So today we're going to go ahead and get started with our next video, but I am going to show you the painting that is in the process of drying. It's not dried completely yet. It still has a little spot that needs to be dried, but I'll show you anyways because I'm able to move it now. Just be very careful with it, right? So I'm going to show you the painting from my previous video. I love the color palette, very neutral, very subtle, but it has character. It stands on its own, and it says, I'm here. You know, it shows up, and that's what I like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Give me 1 second here. So here she is, and you're going to see the shiny part that's still wet. So I don't want to shake it around too much. You can see right in the center, right there. You see the shine right there? That's where it's wet. But look how beautiful she is turning out. I love it. What do you think? Okay, so leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like to see next. If there's anything that you want to see. If not, I'll keep picking. No problem with that. I'll keep choosing what comes up next. So we are working again on a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and we'll see what this color palette brings about. I want to do black base, but right now all of my 14 by 14 inch, if you've noticed, have had a white base, or they've been that triple color base. But my last couple of ones have been white. I'm gonna go ahead and flip over, and we're gonna start doing some black as well. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay everyone, so here we are, and we're gonna go ahead and flood our canvas. Okay, so the colors we are using today: Terra Rossa by Pebeo, next we have Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton, next we have Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newton, very rich. My next color is Titanium Buff by Amsterdam. Oh, that was a lot right in the middle here. Next I have Silver by Arteza. And last I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Okay, so those are my colors. We are going to move them to the side here. Pop out the air bubbles. And we're gonna begin. And we are setting the travel size hair dryer to low. Okay, so this was a simple one, I would say, a fast blow. I am gonna blow in here. I want to create some negative space right in here. Just like that. I like the color palette. I'm gonna push this back as well. And you can see there's some color in there. Okay. I am bringing it back in the middle here as well. Okay. Just like that. Much better. Okay, I like that better. I'm just like rounding the edges here. Okay. Okay, I like that a lot better. So yeah, now I'm happy with what I see. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna just torch it out a bit. Okay, perfect. I am gonna clean up the edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and it is very rich. Take a look at those cells. Look at the petals. Love that streak of pink, that permanent rose. And look at these beautiful cells here. Beautiful depth. Love the contrast of these colors on that black, on the white, I'm sorry. Take a look at that. It's a simple one, but I Love it. I love the colors and I love the composition, something a little different. We are going to take a look and see what we turn this beauty into once we embellish here. Tell me what you think. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.